Are you protected if something happens to your car? Well, you're required to have car insurance. If you get into an accident, you know you can file a claim. Your insurance company will pay to tow your car to a body shop. They'll pay to get your car fixed, and they'll pay for a rental car so you can get to work as if nothing happened. It seems like you're protected, but are you? Let's try this again, but instead of an accident, let's say your check engine light comes on. Do you have any idea what that problem could be? And who's going to pay for it? How much is it going to cost? How long will it take to fix? And how long will you be without a car? With scary, unanswerable questions like that, it's no wonder most of us just ignore the problem. It doesn't sound like you or your car are really protected. That little check engine light should never make you feel sick, angry, or panicked. DriveEase is here to help. DriveEase is like car insurance, but we help you when your car breaks down. Your car insurance covers dozens of parts on the outside of your car, but you need to be covered for the thousands of electrical and mechanical parts on the inside of your car. As nice as your car may look, it's what's under the hood that counts. But DriveEase isn't just helping you with your car's mechanical problems. We make sure your life stays on track. Need a tow to a mechanic? You're covered. Repairing your car? You're covered. Renting a car to get to work? You're covered. DriveEase doesn't just protect the cogs and cams of your car. DriveEase protects you so your life doesn't break down when your car breaks down. DriveEase doesn't just save you. We save you money as well. You can save up to 30% compared to other vehicle service contracts. And we're talking about real money, $500, $1,000, up to $1,500 in savings. And we're the good guys. DriveEase offers great coverages at prices that are affordable and fair. No high pressure, no slick promises. Don't panic when your check engine light turns on. And don't just insure the outside of your car. Protect the inside of your car and protect yourself with DriveEase. Get a free quote in under 24 hours. Call 844-248-2170 or go to getdriveease.com. Real people, real protection, real financing, real honest. DriveEase. This is not insurance, nor is the intent to provide you any type of insurance which your state may or may not require, including but not limited to collisions, comprehensive, or liability insurance. We are, however, offering you a vehicle service contract to cover covered breakdowns of electrical and/or mechanical components which may or may not fail. You should refer to your vehicle service contract for the following: terms, conditions, limitations, and exclusions to coverage.